Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Lesotho 0. I'm joined by Omenier Wetiski.
Sibos.
Fede Menier.
Great, right?
I'm Nandi Menier.
Oh
yeah, the best duo in the game.
Difficult. Identify izinto ezibhaye emagameni so.
Sure.
Buza noma imuphi coach ne ukuthi uyathanda yini ukudlala igame eso okanye ukudlala ne opponent enjenge Lesotho.
Bazothini?
Bazosabathana.
Why?
Because uye egameni ubig headed ukuthi already sengiwinile igame.
Yeah.
Amanye ama team bese yakhona ukuthi maybe athola set piece bese yakuphanisha. Yeah, because ubonile before score. Le game be scrape before about 15 minutes ungaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani ama yellow card ama foul yabo so but after scoring and then saqala sa control the game because vele muthi yacheka from the starting lineup.
Yeah.
The idea was to keep the ball.
Sure.
Because siqale ngomkwena saqala ngombatha no Sipone. Yeah, the idea was to keep the ball and frustrate the
opponent.
Lesotho. Yeah, and then Sibo ngihleze ngitshela ukuthi football it's a game of ama-patterns which means if it's a game of ama-patterns kunezinto ezilokhu zenzeka njalo leyo nto leyo isungenze ngemistake kuse kuyi something esisebenzela kuyona training ne lento ngisa kuphi ngisa kumudiba umudiba we Sundowns. There is something ucoach we Bafana uHugo ayenza ngomudiba yazi umudiba lo dlalela Bafana akusiyo umudiba lo we Sundowns.
Explain the difference.
The difference by number 1 akabi exposed kwi Bafana angeke ubone uOpri chase opponent.
Yeah.
Bafana.
Yeah.
Lento le yenzakalayo kwi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Number 2 is Tibo. Remember ngithe football is a game of ama-patterns, right? Asibuyele back Orlando Stadium.
Sure.
Bafana versus Uganda.
Yes.
Uganda 2, Bafana 1.
Yeah.
First game kaTalente Mbatha. If ungabuyela back kahle or ucheck lelo goal lelo laqhamuka kuModiba. Is la boxing siyaluza ku edit time walenze njani leli bhola walupha to ifa post labuya lelo bhola I think it was a police wazama ukuthatha ishot. I might be wrong what la deflect labuyela kubani kuMbatha uMbatha same time shot asibuyele today game egolini lokuqala igoli lokuqala ubonile lapha ukuthi ibuya kuba ibuya ku Opri umdiba njengoba ibuya uyayilupha again uyiluphela abantu unkoda ngaleyo unkoda waqhamuza njani wa finish. Football is a game of patterns which means le nto bayasebenzela yona kuphi training but awuyiboni kakhulu kwi Sundowns maybe omunye ngathi maybe ama tactics asetshenziswayo or style of play
supporting cast
but ucoach wethu Bafana there is something ayenza eGrand because even uTito umuthi check uTito wePirates Bafana check uMaswanganye imidlalo weBafana ka drop it deep always uhleze kwi yes kuma zone 14 la attacker khona okanye la scorer khona. Yeah so mina uOpri lo udlala now there's a much difference nalo udlala
uyi favorite yakho la.
Yeah uyadlala umjito uyadlala ama challenges abakhona la nawo medlalela Sundowns
ngiyathola.
Alright asisukeni lapho Steve abanye abantu ba question inclusion ka Usipho Mbuli. Remember Usipho ungenele ba uTito uthole injury right before but normal umuntu oqalayo ubani Uzwane right Uzwana akekho.
Yes.
Umuthi yacheck ubani umuntu oclose ucishe adlale njengo Thembazwane. Remember uThembazwane ibhola lidlalayo noMaswanganye alifani but icishe lifana
via
they can bait the opponent if they can bait the opponent which means bona intentionally ba attract i pressure ukuthi yenze njani ize kubona which means ba attract ama player i2 i3 ukuthi yenze njani eze kubona ngalesikhathi kuza ama player i2 i3 kubona ama players lawo esatheka ngawa sala njani afree because sekunabantu abangaka abayi2 abazosimaka. So if engekho umshishi if engekho uTito ubani close in terms of ukubait opponent
is it Mbuli
Sipho can bait i-opponent because ngalesikhathi relax abambe ibhola abantu angeke bafuna ukumpressa bethatha ibhola and then kuvuleka ama-spaces. Yes, angeke ngibe umuntu Sipho. Maybe intwana ezincane zasekazi ezisakhula ziyaquestion ukuthi why umbokazi ehleze coach KB ehleze ekhona ukudlala amabhola lawa diagonal lawa ehlezi wakhipha. Remember igol equalize ngalo versus i-Sundowns e-Orlando.
Yes.
Le pass le yayidlalele uSibelebele ne. Ucheck na today lama pass lawa wakhona ukuthi challenge space from a back engene central ekhiphe lama pass lawo. Intwana maybe ziyayibuza umbokazi wenza ngani. Sibo le nto isimple akusiyona imistake. I think ngeke ngayisho before. Umbokazi uyayimasterisha i-0 point position. There's something esibiza ngokuthi a 0 point position ebholeni, which means if isikhuluma nge-0 point isikhuluma ngani? Isikhuluma ngokuthi i-defender li receivela kwi-zone where there is less pressure. You understand? That is a 0 point position. Le nto ukuze uyimasterishe uyenza kanjani Sipho? So sekuyi-advice for intwana zasekazi. Maybe ejimini ne uthatha ama-marker ayi-2. Uwabeka so imarker 1 marker 2 wena bese wenza sure ukuthi uma u receiver as a defender make sure ukuthi u receiver in between lama marker lawo. Remember lama marker siwasebenzisa as opponent imarker le wena mu receiver always u receiver kuphi la central. Lento umulokhu uyenza uzogcina uyimasteration nasegamini. Why kumele uyenze lento? Because umuthi check umbokazi isikhathi esiningi if uthi u receiver la phakathi kwama marker so remember uyi center back la ku line kusane full back kulo mu line kusane full back sakhona lenye center back so kuba difficult for your opponent ukuthi should you press umbokazi lo muntu lo usale ngamaki udlala lapha. If uthi yasuka futhi opponent remember imarker le iyala umbokazi wenze njani ungena central u challenge space ingakho ihleze challenge space so the 0 point position. Thank you.
Tango Menier.